Dear students, I am Dr. Jyotsna Sharma, Principal SHAMBHU Global School. Today I am going to tell you something about the right career selection or stream selection after class 10th. Because when we just cleared our class 10th, then we have to decide about the stream, whether we want to go for science stream, commerce stream, or arts, means medical, non-medical, or arts. So which stream is perfect for us? Like, how do most of the students choose a career stream? Mostly we are having some peer pressure, that is, as our friends are taking, similarly we also want to choose, and because of our parents' aspiration also we are deciding where to go. So there are some basic errors while choosing a career. If we choose a profession or stream that parents are forcing us, that is known as parental pressure. And if we choose the same stream as our friends are doing, that is peer pressure. And to follow the crowd or trend, that is actually mob mentality. Most of the time we have found that people or students, they are having inclination towards medical or engineering profession, and there are possibilities of getting job abroad also. We want to choose such career that will earn us a government job. So mostly we try to follow crowd or the trends which are going on. Most of the students, they choose a career stream because of traditionally known occupations in their societies also. Let me tell you one thing very clearly, that according to board's recommendation, NCRT recommendation, there is no criteria if student got 33% and they cannot do science stream or commerce stream. They should go only for arts. There are certain schools who, because of their benchmark, they are saying that they are doing admissions above 90% for a science subject, and up to 75% for commerce, and below this for arts, because they are thinking that the students who want to take science, they must have high level of intelligence. And another thing, people are thinking of choosing science that it is an evergreen field or high prestigious, and there are plenty of career options in future. Those who go for commerce, they don't take the risk of taking science. According to them, it's a safe option, family trend, and because we are in business, and we should take our ward in that field only, because there is less competition in commerce also. And in case of arts, not good enough to study science or commerce, so one does not have to study too hard, at least attain a degree, but that is not the reality. We know each and every subject that their studies depend upon the interest of the child and the passion they have. So how would you make that choice? Shouldn't you make sure if your stream choice in class 11th matches your personality? Or we have to check whether we are having passion for that particular subject, we are having interest, only then we can get success. How will you find that? What are the factors which go into choosing a career? So there are few factors like skills, our interest, values, motivations, personality, allocations, qualification, and contacts. First of all, there are skills like teamwork, problem solving, communicating, computing, organization. Why, how these skills are actually developed, and this depends upon the activities that are actually taken by our school during our secondary education. Then in interest, some of the students, they are having scientific temperament. Some are very adventurous, they are more involved in outdoor activities. Some are social, some are very creative. Similarly, values and motivation and personality, they are also play a major role in deciding our passion, our interest for the subject, which make us to find out our goal successfully. If we have to check what are the different streams or subjects in class 11th and 12th, then mostly we are having physics and chemistry as physical science subject, in biological science, biology and biotechnology. In mathematical science, we are having mathematics and applied mathematics. Engineering and computational technology subjects, these include information practices, computer science, artificial intelligence, geospatial technology, and people they are going for augmented learning also in coming time. Then social science subjects they are history, political science, psychology, physical education, painting and commercial arts. Business related subjects are accountancy, business studies, and entrepreneurship. Now, if we'll check that what kind of streams are there in our school, that is SHAMBHU Global School in DAYANAND, Nagar, GHAZIABAD. We are having science stream class 11th and 12th with PCM, having physics, chemistry, maths, and English core. Fifth subject, we can go for computer science, information practices, artificial intelligence, economics, biotechnology, physical education, commercial arts. Even by taking economics and maths, so after class 12, students may go for School of Economics also. And if students are opting for maths with biotechnology, then they can appear for both JEE and NEET exam. They need not to go for biology studies. And there is a sixth subject, skill subject, that is geospatial technology. In PCB, we are having physics, chemistry, biology, and English core. All the five subjects they are as such, except now biotechnology, because CBSE has removed biotech combination. So instead of that, students can opt for psychology. And as a sixth subject, geospatial technology is there. For commerce stream, accountancy, business studies, economics, and English core. As a fifth subject now, instead of normal mathematics, that is applied mathematics for commerce and humanities from this session onwards, computer science, information practices, artificial intelligence, entrepreneurship, it's a good optional subject in combination with the commerce stream, physical education, commercial arts. As a sixth subject, geospatial technology will be given. Then in case of humanities or arts, there we are having history, political science, psychology, and English core. As a fifth subject, applied mathematics, CS, computer science, information practices, artificial intelligence, physical education, commercial arts. As a sixth subject, we are having geospatial technology. So, in totality, what can you do after 10th class? So, we can opt for any of the stream because all the streams they are connected with lots of careers. Now, we'll discuss about the careers. What is the scope of studying all these streams? Now, first of all, scope after science. Now, if students are opting for PCM in science stream, then they can go for degree or diploma in engineering and technology. You all know for joint entrance exams are there for IITs, for NITs, or for various engineering colleges. And in many private engineering institutes, people can go for class 12th percentage along with their own entrance exams. So this is there is a long list of different fields of engineering like electrical, mechanical, electronics, civil, computer science, aeronautical, aerospace, automobile, biochemical, biomedical, biotechnology, biochemical engineering, then industrial biotech is there, chemical technology, food and dairy industry, manufacturing science and engineering, marine telecommunication, metallurgy, mining, petrochemical, petroleum, pharmaceutical, and printing. Similarly, if students they want to go for polytechnics, there is 3-year diploma courses which are offered by various polytechnic, which are run by state directorates of technical education and training. So after 10th and 10 plus 2 with physics, chemistry, and the maths, students can go for this. And there are certain non-engineering trades also like ceramics, printing, production, and chemical technology, which are of less duration. Then instead of their students, if they are having PCM in class 12, then they can go for diploma courses of 3-year duration in hotel management, that is in hotel industry. Then for architect courses also, if students are having PCM, then they can go for B architect and M architecture, sorry. Then NDA, that is National Defense Academy examination. And most of the students who pass 10 plus 2, that is class 12 with physics, chemistry, and maths, they can go for NDA examination also. That's also a better choice. Now, if students they opt for PCB in science stream in class 11th and 12th, then there are chances of taking zoology, botany, microbiology, biochemistry, horticulture, marine science, biotechnology, environmental science, food production, preservation, fishery, and there are certain other courses like industrial biochemistry, nutrition, health information administration, and genetics also. So these subjects can be taken in graduation. Then for medical and paramedical science, there are MBBS for allopathy medicine, that is BHMS for homeopathy, BMS for Ayurvedic, BUMS for Unani medicine, BDS that is for dental science, then veterinary science, animal husbandry, and physiotherapy. Along with this, there are certain specializations which can be done in the form of diploma or in the form of degree, that is nuclear medicine technology, respiratory therapy technology, prosthesis and orthotics, audiology and speech therapy, occupational therapy, and optometry. Similarly, nursing, pharmacy, optician, vaccinator, darkroom assistants, radiographers, laboratory technicians, sanitary inspectors are there. And in all the healthcare fields, there is huge role of research also. So many industries are there, healthcare industries are there, which are gone for which will be gone for research. Then scope after commerce, careers after studies in commerce. There are accountancy, accountant, banker, actuary, then business manager, export professional, etc. And students can go for higher studies like MCom, MBA, CAC, FA, ISWA, CS, etc. There are some other also vocational subjects and courses like advertising, and then company secretaryship, computer programming, economic systems, export marketing, market research, direct and indirect taxation, entrepreneurship, foreign trade financing, and investment analysis, portfolio management, and computer applications. So in finance and account secretaries fields which are related to insurance, and bankers, chartered financial analysts, economists, and equity research analysts, and forex dealer. These are these days like foreign exchange dealer, then investment banker, stockbroker, etc. Then if you opt for these humanity courses in history, eco, pol science, psychology, sociology, anthropology, literature, actuarial science, geographical education, philosophy, linguistics, rural development, and economics with public finance also. Then next comes there are more fields which are related to humanities like careers after BA. Students they can pursue career in actuary or anthropologist, archaeologist, economist, geographer, historian, political scientist, psychologist. A good career in public administration and immense scope after higher studies in the respective subjects. And for UPSC and other government related courses or government post related options also are there. So there are certain options which are for all, whether you go for science, commerce, and arts, that is clinical nutrition, dietetics, home science, family resource management, clothing and textile, extension of education, human development. Even in education, students can go for NTT, B.Ed, or for B.Lib, and even for B.Ped and M.Ped courses. Then for hospitality, a hostess, guest relation executives, hotel management that I have already discussed. But there are certain off-bit careers which are talent-based like pet grooming, hairstyling, acting, video jockey, sports-based career, makeup artist, cosmetologist, choreographer, singer, music, and disc jockey. Now, whatever the courses we will take, that streams will take, I told you so many options. Previously, we were thinking of only becoming doctor, engineer, lawyer, businessman. It's only a teacher or university professor. There are scientists also, but now many options are open. But what is the examination pattern from this session onwards? Like 20 marks of internal assessment, 80 marks of theory, and most of the questions they will be open-ended, high order thinking skills and comprehension based. There are certain external examinations also, that is Kishore Vigyanik Protsahan Yojana, that is a scholarship for till pre-PhD period, and Olympiads they are also will be organized. But main thing is that because we are in coronavirus pandemic, students are at home, teachers are teaching, they are taking their classes regularly. Students they should have to be a good citizenship with responsibility, that they have to attend their classes religiously, and there is need of self study. Peer support is required, teacher guidance and parent support is also required. So in the end, I just want to say that if you are having passion, there must be purpose of life, there must be passion, possibility, and power. So thank you so much for attending, and fulfill your dreams. Thanks.